Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am with you guys with one more video. When I was not able to upload few videos last week, but I'm just going to upload it today. So words respond to a situation. This is very easy part according to me, but of course some people don't like it because you have to make some sentences on your behalf. What is respond to a situation? There will be a one paragraph, two to three lines, and then there will be a speaker who will read it. Like for example, hi, tomorrow is my exam, but I'm not able to go for my exam because I had very bad injury, and what I should do. So in this situation, what you're gonna do? Here I'm going to provide you something. There it will be not I, to be very honest, which I. There will be you are. Hi, you are very upset. So there you are going to change you are in I am because it changed. Next is you are. Maybe you, me, like that. For example, you. It's depend how you gonna change it, guys, because it's depend when you will read it. Sometime it will count as a me, sometime it will be I, and then your, it will be my, mine. So it will be depend where is the sentence. I will explain you in detail this one. So for example, so just give me a second. I'm just going to open app in my phone, not here. I will let you know which are very important questions in this, so you can hear. I will provide you. Okay.
Your friend comes to borrow a book from you for an essay, but the essay is due tomorrow, and you need the same book to finish your own essay. What would you say to them?
Your friend, your means my friend, comes to borrow a book from you, from me, for an essay, but the essay is due tomorrow, and you need means I need the same book to finish your own essay, means my own essay. What would you say to them? So it was the question. I am going to, I'm not able to attach, guys, because it will take me ages. So it was the question. Oh my goodness, what's going on? Your friend, then I will change it. Okay, comes to borrow a book from you for an essay, but the essay is due tomorrow. Sorry, guys. Okay, and you need the same book to finish your own essay. Okay, here we go. So what would you say to them? Firstly, I'm not going to explain you what you would say, what you will not. First, I will explain you the heck what you can do. Your friend means my friend. Here when we are going to give them answer, so it will be my friend comes to borrow a book from me for an essay, but the essay is due tomorrow, and I need the same book to finish my own essay. Okay, your, my, you, I, or me. So you have to read according to essay, like according to, sorry, respond to a situation, what's going on. So in this answer, what you can say, you can repeat same from starting. Okay, like my friend comes to borrow a book from me for an essay, but the essay is due tomorrow and I need the same book to finish my own essay. After that, I'm going to provide you some line. In this situation, I want to ask whether you can provide me some time, or I will be really thankful for you if you can take this book by next week. Okay, so I'm going to repeat for you guys. Hi, I hope so you are doing really well. My friend comes to borrow a book from me for an essay, but the essay is due tomorrow and I need the same book to finish my own essay. In this situation, I want to ask whether you can come by next week, or I would be thankful if you can give me more excess time so I can finish my essay stressful. Thank you so much for your understanding. So you just need to add these 3 4 lines on every, like in every respond to a situation. If you want, I can provide you, like I'm going to provide you that template over here. That was question, as you know what you are going to do, you are this that. So all the paragraph, after reading this paragraph, then you need to add those line. Okay, after, like, you have to read this paragraph first. You have to read this paragraph first. Okay, after that, this one, first line. In this situation, I want to ask whether whatever. Okay, second, I will be very thankful. So after this line, you just need to make one line by yourself. You can add anything related to this paragraph, like I will be very thankful if you can give me extra time to prepare this one. That's it. And then thank you so much for your understanding. That's what you are going to do, guys. These are 3 lines you just need to add. To be very honest, there is nothing. This is very very easy. Hi, my friend comes to borrow a book from me for an essay, but the essay is due tomorrow and I need the same book to finish my own essay. In this situation, I want to ask whether you can ask someone else, or I will be thankful if you can provide me some extra time so I can provide you my book. Thank you so much for your understanding. This is the answer. So you just need to find out these answer from same paragraph. That's all. And you are not going to add anything. In this situation, I want to ask whether, I will be very thankful. Thank you so much for your understanding. This is the old template you are going to repeat. And that's all guys for today. I hope I will upload more videos until, I don't know, even though, to be very honest, I'm not going to promise you, but still I will try. And one more thing, in next video, because I just need to copy paste, I will provide you all the predictions file for this one and just repeat that one. To be very honest, it will come in your exam and you don't need to worry at all. It is very easy. And for rechecking, go for it guys, go for it. I can provide you in next video so many examples with proof, like so many who got from like they got before in speaking, in writing just 50 50, after that they got 80 89 90. Yes, that's what I'm saying. At the end you will get like they will refund your money, so there is no loss. Anyways, thank you so much guys. See you in next video. See you. Bye.